Alright guys, the first thing you have to do is to move over to your MetaMask here and open it. That's the first most important thing you have to do. Then when you open it, put your password. Okay. It may take a while to open. So once you are in, you come over to this side here, this place, and open it. Then up here, simply type humanity.org. Humanity.org. Then send it here. Press here to send. So when you send it, you come over to this join testnet and press it. Join testnet. To take you to another interface where you now see two options: connect wallet or login / sign up. Now we are connecting our wallet. You press here to connect wallet. Then you go for MetaMask here, this one, MetaMask. Then you open again, press this MetaMask here again, this one here. You open this one again, MetaMask, and here wait for it to load. Now it is connecting to MetaMask. Now you press connect down here, this connect here, you press it. Now you sign this message, you sign it. Open with MetaMask again, this one here, MetaMask. Then you sign here again, you sign. Wait for it, it's coming. Now it is now loading. So now you see some stuff here like choose a name and who invited you. So now I'm choosing a name here. I will go with a normal name, any name at all. Checkmate. It doesn't have to be your real name, just a name, normal name. Then who referred you? You can put in my referral link. Okay, this ID is taken. Let me put checkmate 11. Who referred you? Just put my name, legend 77. Then you now press next here, next. Then now this is where you now put your normal name. I'll put in my name, Anthony. Must. Then you put your email address down here. I'll put my email address. Okay. Then you still confirm the email address you put up there. Confirm it again. Then here you now press next again, next. Wait for it. Now go to your email. Let's open my email now. Go to your email and just let's open our email just to verify the stuff down there. You come to your email, you see it here, Humanity Protocol. Open it. First verify email. Now you see something like email verified, then you go back again. Now you see this is saying building your decentralized identity. Now if you notice something, there's a move here between, look at my MetaMask here, look at Chrome. So just flow with it like that. Flow with it like that. It's still the same thing. Even if you come here, it's still the same thing. So your duty is just to flow. It will take you to Chrome, but just make sure you keep connecting your MetaMask address continuously like that. Make sure you keep connecting it like that, like that. Later in the future, I'll show you guys how to use a particular browser known as mixi, something like mixi. use that mixing now to do some of this stuff, and it will be very very easy for you. So when you come here now, you see an interface like this. Very straightforward interface. Very very straightforward interface. This is the dashboard. Okay. You see it. Now the next thing you'll be doing here is that you will be collecting facet and bridging those facets. You first, if you're collecting your token via a facet rather, and then you are bridging it. And let's access that facet now. I'm back to my MetaMask again, and I'm going to access the same website again with my MetaMask. You just press the normal connect testnet stuff. You can enter your wallet already and everything. Okay, brings us here again. Now the next thing to do is this, very simple. The next thing to do is very simple and very straightforward. You go to this web address. Let me get it. Just 1 second. So now you open this thing now, this place now. You come here, you see this place here. You press here, copy wallet address, press here to copy it. You see, copied. I pressed here to copy my wallet address. Then I'll now go to this website. Just open this thing now. Facet dot testnet dot humanity dot org. What that's dot org. This one I'm heading to now. You see what's going to pop up. Now you see an interface like this. You see, receive 1 THP per request, 7 from this wallet address here. So you come over here and paste wallet address. Just press it. Now press it and press paste. Then you now click this button here. Just press it. Request. May take a while because people are using are requesting here from time to time, so just keep pressing it. Now to know if this, just keep pressing it like that. Request. Now let's go back here. After doing that, you now go back to your MetaMask and access another web address. All these addresses are available in the group, so don't worry. I'll make them all available. come up here and just cancel everything here, then go and then add bridge dot testnet dot humanity.org and send it. So it brings to this interface here. You see connect using web wallet, add to MetaMask, connect using web wallet. Look at connect using web wallet. Add to MetaMask. Now you press this add to MetaMask. Press it. Sometimes this will pop up. Add network. Now you confirm it. After confirming it, press switch network as well. Yeah, that's more like it now. Got it. So that's it now. After doing that, you now come down to this side and press connect using web wallet. You now see something like welcome to Polygon ZKEM. Just confirm it. Then press this connect down here. Connect. Now we are in. So you can see here that your balance here, your HP testnet balance here is 0 THP. You can see it is 0 THP. If you look at the picture I sent in our WhatsApp group, you discover that the wallet I use had 1 THP here. So your duty now is to come back here from time to time and try claiming that facet. It may take a while. Try claiming. If you don't have it yet, share your wallet address in a group and I'll send it to you. I'll send a little amount to you for you to use in trying the testnet. Now remember to do this testnet 15 to 20 times. How do you do a testnet? You just come down here, put in an amount here, let's say 0.01. It's showing insufficient balance because there's nothing here yet. But the picture in the other address I used in the group, there's something there. So when you do that, you now come over and press continue. When you do not do it, when you confirm it, it will take a while for it to load, but eventually it will be bridged to Sapolian testnet. It will be bridged to Sapolian testnet. Now we are going to be doing this procedure 10 to 15 times. We're bridging from here to Sapolian, and for Sapolian back to here. But our main focus is to bridge from the human protocol testnet over to Sapolian. And for this is all for the human protocol testnet from now. I will make a video where I'll teach you how to use the Missile browser later on. And that Missile browser you'll be able to have a Chrome a MetaMask extension there. It will be very easy for you to use. See you in the next video. Thank you.